Your website is the face of your business and forms the foundation of your brand identity. There are two sides to every website, front end and back end. You can think of the front end of your website as a storefront. Like a storefront, this is the part of your business that potential customers may see as they browse the internet. The back end of your website can be thought of as the storage room full of inventory. While not visible to customers, it is still an important part of making sure that your website is functional. We'll talk more about web performance and testing in another video. Web design or redesign can include changes to either side of your website, front end or back end. Like many business owners, you probably spend a lot of time thinking about how you want your website to appear, all front end. However, this is only part of the picture. Before designing a new or redesigning an existing website, consider several things: objective, market trends, content structure, keywords, and use that information to build a roadmap. So let's start with objective. When considering this, you should ask yourself, how should this website help me accomplish my goals? Will it be used to primarily conduct sales, as is the case for e-commerce? Do I hope to get signups for consultations or new subscribers? How will I measure if the website has been successful at helping me reach my goals? Considering objective first can help you do three things. The first is focus on functionality. Considering the objective and how you'll measure success can help you decide what functionality to include in your website. For example, at Rethink Science, our website is designed to capture consultations and share our clients' success story. To do this effectively, we need a way to collect information from clients, a scheduling function, and pages that are structured to visually tell our story. The second benefit of considering objective is it helps you avoid technical debt. Technical debt is the future cost to rework or maintain our website. This occurs when shortcuts are made to quickly build a website and the quality of the code on the back end of your website suffers. Sites that are slow or flickering could be showing signs of technical debt. And the third benefit is it helps you decide if you want to do a custom or pre-built design. You may be familiar with website builders like Wix, Shopify, or Webflow. Each has its own benefits and limitations. Pre-built themes are usually packed with features to help them meet the needs of a variety of different businesses. Not all of those features will be relevant for your business, but that code still exists in your backend. This extra code can cause lower website performance and create technical debt. A custom build, on the other hand, is designed with your business in mind and may deliver better website performance long term. So once you've considered objective, you want to then move on to analyze trends and best practice. Take a look at the website of your top 3 to 5 competitors. Based on the tone of their website, who might the audience be? Is the website easy to navigate on mobile and on desktop? What are they doing well from a design perspective? What could be better? And be fair. Use free tools like builtwith.com to find out how they've built their website. After you've analyzed your market and you have a better understanding of best practice and where your design might fill the gaps, it's time to organize content. There must be trillions of websites on the internet. Have you ever considered how search engines pick the one to include in search results? This is called search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is an umbrella term used to describe the actions you might take to get your website recognized by search engines. SEO helps your website be included in search results when people search for things related to your business. This process begins long before the website is live. Think about the content you would like to include on your website. Each page on your website should tell one specific story and be tailored to attract a specific audience. Organize your content so that it matches the goal of the page. For example, an About Us page with pricing or a Meet Our Team page with testimonials and featured products would feel so out of place. Search engines like Google use bots to visit your website and gain an understanding of what each page of your website is about. If your content is not well organized or you're missing other important pieces of SEO, it may prevent your site from being suggested in Google or other search results. Now, content is not just limited to what we visually see, images and video. It's also the words that are on your page, and we call that copy. So let's talk about keywords. Your customers are going to use certain search terms to find businesses like yours. The words they use in search are called keywords. You want to make sure these keywords are included in the words on your website. Some keywords are used more often than others. You will want to choose keywords that have high search volumes. You can find these keywords using Google's free keyword planner. The keyword planner is part of Google's advertising platform, but you do not need to run ads to use it. Create a free account and get started. Now that you have all of that information and you understand how to lay a great foundation, it's time to build a roadmap. You may find, after collecting all of this info, that you need a little bit more time than you originally planned. That's okay. A strong foundation will ensure your website looks great and performs as expected. We'll talk more in these courses about how to continuously test your website to ensure that it is still meeting the objective.